Once upon a time, various wild animals lived in a very dense and inaccessible forest named Dandakaranya. In that same forest lived a jackal named Dirgharava. He was extremely cunning, but his biggest flaw was his boundless greed. Whatever he saw, a strong desire to acquire and hoard it would awaken in his mind. Whether for humans or animals, this statement from ethics always proves true regarding greed. लोभात् क्रोधः प्रभवति लोभात् कामः प्रजायते लोभान् मोहश्च नाशश्च लोभः पापस्य कारणम्. Meaning, greed gives rise to anger, greed breeds inappropriate desires, greed leads to delusion and ultimately destruction. Undoubtedly, greed is the root cause of all sins. One day, Dirgharava the jackal was wandering in the forest in search of food. Just then, his eyes fell upon a strange and terrifying sight. There were 3 dead bodies lying on the ground, a hunter, a massive wild boar, and a black snake. What had happened was that the hunter had shot a poisonous arrow at the wild boar from his bow. Before dying, the enraged and wounded boar launched such a fierce attack on the hunter that the hunter lost his life as well. In the midst of this deadly struggle, a passing snake was also crushed to death under their feet. Seeing such a huge amount of food all at once, Dirgharava the jackal's eyes widened in amazement. He jumped with joy and thought, "Wow, today the Creator has showered His blessings upon me. This food has sorted my provisions for many months." Dirgharava the jackal should have consumed the food, but his greed awoke. Besides, it is also said in ethics, Uparjitanam vittanam tyagah eva hi rakshanam tadago darasansthanam parivaha evam bhasam. Meaning, the best way to protect earned wealth or food is to utilize and share it, just as it is necessary to let a little water flow out of a pond to keep it clean. Otherwise, the water stagnates and rots. However, the extremely greedy Dirgharava began to calculate. This massive boar is my food for 2 months. This hunter will serve me for a month. This snake will satisfy my hunger for 2 days. Therefore, I will not eat all this delicious meat today. I will save it for the future. Just then, his sight fell upon the hunter's bow, whose bowstring, was made of dried animal sinews and leather. The jackal thought, "Today I will start my day by eating this dry and hard bowstring so that my delicious meat remains saved." Observing this foolish and excessively greedy decision of the jackal, the Hitopadesha says, Sanchayah sarvada karyo nati sanchayah uchyate ati sanchaya shiloyam dhanusha jambukah hatah. Meaning, it is always wise to save for the future, but over-accumulation is completely improper. Look at how this jackal, caught in the greed of excessive hoarding, will now be killed by a bow. As soon as the jackal started chewing the hard and extremely tight string of the bow with his teeth, a terrible event occurred. The moment the string snapped, the bow, which had been bent until now, straightened with a violent jerk. The sharp end of that bow sprang up with such terrifying speed that it pierced straight through Dirgharava the jackal's jaw and penetrated his brain. The jackal, who a moment ago was dreaming of feasting for months, lost his life the very next second due to his own greed and fell dead on the same ground. From this story we learn that Sujirna mannam suvichakshanah sutah sushasita stri dripatihi susevitah suchintya choktam suvicharya yatkritam sudirgha kale api nayati vikriyam. Meaning, well-digested food, an extremely intelligent son, a well-disciplined wife, a well-served king, words spoken after careful thought, and actions taken after deep consideration. These never become a cause of destruction or downfall even over a long period. Dirgharava the jackal acted blindly out of mere greed without thinking, which became the cause of his death. Greed beyond necessity always invites destruction. Therefore, we should learn to first enjoy and properly utilize what we have, rather than destroying our lives in a blind race to merely hoard it for the future. If you like this story, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel at MMMV34666. Thank you.